Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how you can use TODOIST to manage software bugs effectively. A must-know technique for all you software developers and project managers out there. To kick things off, let's create a new project in TODOIST. Simply click on the plus sign on the left side of your screen, type in your desired project name, let's say Bug Tracker, and hit Enter. This will be our central hub for managing all software bugs. Having a separate project for this purpose keeps everything organized and easy to navigate. Next up, we need to add tasks for each bug that needs to be addressed. Click on Add Task and type in the bug's details. For instance, Fix Login Button Malfunction on Chrome. This step ensures that every bug is assigned as a separate task, making it easier to track its status and assign it to the appropriate team member. Now that we've done that, let's assign these tasks to our team members. Click on the task, hit Assign To, and pick the right person. This helps us because it distributes the workload evenly and keeps everyone on the team in the loop. The reason we do this is to streamline the bug fixing process. When everyone knows what they're supposed to do, things move faster and more efficiently. Now, don't forget to set deadlines for these tasks. Click on Schedule and select a date. Having a timeline helps keep the team focused and ensures that the bugs are addressed in a timely manner. Let me explain why this matters. Deadlines create a sense of urgency and help prevent tasks from being overlooked or delayed. Plus, it's always satisfying to check off a task that's been completed on time. Our final step is to prioritize these tasks. TODOIST allows you to color-code your tasks based on their priority level. Click on the task, hit Priority, and choose a level from P1 to P4, P1 being the highest priority and P4 being the lowest. This helps us because it provides a visual representation of what needs to be addressed first. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By prioritizing tasks, we ensure that critical bugs are fixed first, enhancing the user experience and maintaining the software's overall performance. And that's it. With these few steps, you can effectively use TODOIST to manage software bugs. Remember, the key is to keep everything organized, assign tasks, set deadlines, and prioritize. Doing so will help ensure a smoother, more efficient bug-fixing process. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.